So here is how to add music to Instagram Notes. Fix music feature if it's not showing up. First, you gotta go to your profile logo, click on it, and then on the top right, click on the settings and activity menu, and then scroll down till you see account type. It only shows up if your account is not already switched to a professional account, which is required for the notes and the music features. Now, if it's already a professional, you should see the steps completed on the top under your profile name. Now, you can simply go back to the home page of Instagram and then click on messages. And then on your note, you should be able to see what's new or a share note. You can tap on this and then type the note you want to share, hello, for example. And then you should see the music icon under that. Can click on this and search for any music you want. So I'm gonna just choose the first one in here and now click on the arrow and then select which part of the music you want. The red dots usually mean the most popular parts people use, and then you can confirm. And now you can simply press share, and that should share the note along with the music. Now you can tap on it to see it and hear the music, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.